I hate creating captions, but despite that, I'm going to show you guys how to make these animated captions in Premiere as easily as possible. First, you're going to open up your text panel by going to Windows, then Text, if it's not already visible. Go to Transcript and create captions. Set the maximum length in characters down to as low as it'll go, and set the minimum duration in seconds also down as low as it'll go, and set it to single line. Let those generate, then highlight your captions, then go up to Graphics and Titles, and do Upgrade Captions to Graphics. We're gonna start stacking the captions on top of each other by sentences. So we're only gonna use the first 3 here, so I'm gonna extend these all the way to the end of the top clip, and then I'm gonna drag this one down because we're not gonna use it for this example. Now I'm gonna use the position tool to position the captions how I'd like them to be at a finished state. These captions are a little big, so I'm going to lower the font so they fit a little better. Then I'm gonna reposition them. Then go up to your effect panel and type in transform and drag that onto your text layer. Then go up to your effect control panel and under transform, use the position key to move your text down slightly. Go forward about 5 or 10 frames and then hit this arrow button to put it back to its original position. Then go to the effect panel and type in Gaussian Blur. Grab that effect and apply it to your text layer. Add a keyframe where your transform effect ends and then go to the beginning and change that value to 100. Then highlight both keyframes and easy ease them. And then select Transform and Gaussian Blur by using Control-click. Then hit Save Preset. And then name it something generic like Caption Preset. Then go up to your Effect Control panel. Type in your preset that you just made. Then highlight your 2 other clips and drag it onto them. Now you should have an animation like this. And now we're going to apply this to the rest of the video. So go ahead and stack your sentence, then position your clips where you like them, then highlight all the clips and drag the effect. And we're just going to keep doing this until the end of the video. If you learned something, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out HowToVideoEdit.com for more video editing tutorials, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.